Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. The activities of laboratory were directed toward passive phased arrays instead of mechanically scanning reflector type antennas. High range resolution waveforms, high angular resolution beams, digital signal processors, multi-microprocessor based radar data processing, improved algorithm for the tracker performance and man-machine interface, multi-modding in radars and multi-target tracking capabilities. In the field of communication, as the 1970s opened for LRDE, two projects in this area, namely the sound ranging system and the automatic electronic exchange, were ongoing activities. The sound ranging system development was completed. The system was evaluated by the Army and on approval for introduction into service, technology was transferred to Hyderabad for manufacture and supply. The automatic electronic exchange was the first of the developments to be undertaken by LRDE for Plan AREN. In this decade as well as in the next decade, a major part of the development activities of LRDE would be directed toward the design and development plan AREN equipment. LRDE was in the unique position of being the developing agency for three distinct families of switching system, namely manual switchboards, automatic electronic switches for local calls, and integrated switches for trunks. In each category, the developmental activities were aimed at integrating progressively and at the earliest relevant technological advancement as they were taking place. In the manual switchboards, the emphasis was on increased reliability with reduction in weight, size, and power consumption. A solid state 15 line manual exchange with push button control CMOS devices for low power consumption, solid state cross points for reliability and compactness was developed. User evaluated and technology was transferred to BEL Bangalore for re-engineering and production. In the automatic electronic switching systems, the designs progressed from wired, program controlled space division, multiplexed analog switching matrix to time division, multiplexed digital switching matrix using advanced control concepts and component technologies. The first of the development projects in this area was the automatic electronic exchange, which was taken up for development in 1968. In this pre-microprocessor era, wired program control was implemented using discrete devices. A three-stage solid-state switching matrix was employed with read relay cross points in the early vision as speech path switching elements. As technology advanced, read relays were replaced by silicon controlled rectifiers and still later by CMOS cross points with very low power consumption. For the first time in the country, as exchange provided the subscribers with sophisticated facilities such as multi-level priority conference and call transfer. The design of the exchange was modular in that by adding an identical switching matrix, the capacity was doubled. In 1972, the Army evaluated the laboratory model of SWITEL, preferred LRDE's equipment to that of our indigenous competitors and cleared it for industrial prototype and manufactured by ITI Bangalore. Stop. Thank you.